How to use Tesco Clubcard application in store. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily use the Tesco application in order to pay in stores with the application. For that, you must be registered with a Tesco.com account and a club card account to be able to pay in store with the Tesco grocery and the club card application. For that, you need to just open the application and select the shop in store option, and then you need to select the pay in store option there. With one scan of the payment barcode, you will be able to easily pay, collect clubboard points, and get the club card prices. You can also scan the payment barcode to release a scan as you shop handset. So if you are eligible, then you just have to follow these instructions in order to pay in store using the Tesco application. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.